Hello, good morning. I have a little cauldron, a little cauldron on my nose. It's an acne patch, and in this one is like thinking. It's like I try not to think about this courthouse. I try, but and then it's like I get messages, and then it's like it's like a settlement. I don't want a settlement because if you settle the case, then it will not go public and nobody will ever know what you're fighting the courthouse for. Like I'm fighting the courthouse for discrimination, for sabotage, for it's all of my discrimination rights. It's sexism, racism, ageism, my religion. It's a whole bunch of stuff. It's a whole bunch of different things. It's nepotism, it's favoritism. It's a whole bunch of violations in that case. And I talk about it so much online on my YouTube channel because my YouTube is a spiritual channel. I'm supposed to be talking about return of senders, ancestor money. I talk about the portals when the portals open, the planetary movements. I talk about Mercury retrograde, the solar eclipse. That's what I talk about. This courthouse is like, and it's like I've been thinking like they want to give me money, but I don't want the money. I don't want the money. I want to win the lawsuit. I want it to go public. Like I want everybody to know what the hell happened to Paulina B Garcia as an employee with the Bronx Supreme Courthouse. What happened? What happened? Why are you suing the courthouse? Yeah, read the file. Read the file and you'll know exactly why I'm suing the courthouse. And every incident that has been filed, that has been complained about, that has been brought to their attention, and they failed to acknowledge, they failed to recognize, they failed to take any accountability on anything. A settlement is going to throw everything out the window. All of my complaints, everything that I have been saying for years, no one's going to care because I settled. I'm not settling this case. Like, no, it's going to trial, it's going to court, it's going to the judge directly. Like, no, somebody has to respond to me. You can't pay me off. I don't want your money, your dirty money. Not all money is good money. And then it's like, is money to shut you up. That's what they're giving you money for, to shut the fuck up. I'm like, oh, this has been going on for too long. This has been an issue for way too long. And you can't shut me up about it. You can't pay me off. You can't, it's just the levels of the disrespect. Like that's what's next. Now they're going to try to pay me off. I'm like, oh, you can't pay me off. You can't pay me off. Like I need a judge to talk to me. I need a judge to tell me something. If it's not a judge talking to me, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. If it's not no, somebody in the legal system, an attorney can't come talk to me, can't sign any papers because they're trying to forge your signature. They're trying to do something. I'm like, these people are fucking disgusting, and they're supposed to be righteous people, politicians. They're supposed to be public officials, straight up people, and they're so dirty, and they look for ways to trick the people. You can't sign anything from them because they'll forge your signature. You can't acknowledge anything. You can't agree to anything because everything you agree to, it's a fucking spell. And they all do this shit. And then they want to act like they don't do it. And then it's like, and then when you don't know what the hell they're doing, you're going to agree to shit. You're going to sign shit. And you done signed your whole life away. I'm like, oh, hell no. You're not going to get me. I'm like, these people are disgusting. They are the worst of the worst of the worst. Like I know hood shit. I know hood shit. But then these other people in the suits and the ties, and they want to sit up straight and start talking all proper. And yeah, that's how they get you. Because they think that they're better. But then they're still ghetto. They have ghetto ways. They have the street mentality. Like they're not good people. But because they have the suit and the tie on, you think they're a good person. Nah, that's a fucking slime ball. That's I would say a reptilian. Reptilian, I don't even know. I don't know. They're just not good people. And I'm like, pay attention to this shit. Pay attention. And I will not be settling. I need a judge to speak to me. I need somebody with some sort of position of power to speak to me. An attorney can't speak to me. A clerk can't speak to me. Anybody that is not nah, you can't speak to me. What are you talking to me about? I'm talking like this already happened, right? It's 11/11 portal pass, Mercury retrograde. Here we go. Don't sign any contracts, any binding contracts, because it's a fucked up contract. They're trying to make you sign a fucked up contract. Don't agree to anything. It's like, you know what? It's okay. This is going to trial. 2 years waiting. It has been filed since March 1st of 2024. We're in 2025. We're going into 2026, and I still have not received a response. They think I'm going to go away. Like, nah, I'm not going to go away. It's going to be worse, and I want more money. I want double. I want triple, because it's like I hear other lawsuits, and they're suing for a lot. I don't think I'm suing for enough money. It's not enough. I want more money now. It's like, you want me to what? Like what? And then you're trying to pay me off and give me less than what I'm suing for, and then I'm already suing you for nothing, and then nah. Nah. Like, I want more money. That's all it is. I'm just talking. I'm just talking. I'm trying to make sense of it. These people are the worst, the lowest of the low, and I just had to say something about it. I'm gonna go into my spiritual stuff, but leave with love, stay positive, vibe high, don't be angry, don't be upset. Make sense of things. Think about things. Think about it. Think about think about things. Don't just sit there and sign stuff and agree to stuff and okay, like no. I'm not agreeing to anything. Like, no, you're gonna respond to me. We're gonna fight for what I'm saying for. We are gonna fight for it. You don't like what I have to say, then defend yourself. Say something. I want you to respond. Nobody wants to respond to me because it's all truth and they can't lie about it. And then now they're embarrassed because they don't want everybody else to know what the fuck is in that file. I'm like, will have to pay me some big money because I'm not shutting up. Leave with love, stay positive, vibe high. And the case is Paulina B Garcia versus the Bronx Supreme Courthouse, the unified court system for the entire state of New York. Index 1021-2024 BX, because it's filed in the Bronx. It's in the Bronx, the Bronx Supreme Courthouse, and it's also filed in federal court because it is a federal case, because it's bigger than the Bronx. It's the entire state of New York. And yeah, it's big money. Leave it alive.